We are here in LERIO Chocolate Factory and Chocolate Cafe. Chocolate. LERIO Chocolate. Hi. We're here in LERIO Chocolate. LERIO Chocolate. There. LERIO Chocolate Factory. Who loves chocolate? Woo! We also love chocolate. And of course, birds for sure. Silvery chocolate, dimorphic chocolate, salty chocolate, chocolate bubuk. Yeah. Yeah, they have nice chairs. See? Oh, beautiful place. For people who loves chocolate, they almost got closed, but we make habol. It's okay. And they have very nice toilet rooms. Yeah, with lots of cacao paintings. Yeah. So here, yo, there. Hi. So they have nice restrooms. Of course, nice restrooms they have. Yeah. Hi friends. Yeah, thank you so much to LERIO who've been sponsoring us for our exploration. LERIO Chocolate. I love you, LERIO Chocolate.
Dito lang ang dancing, sa Manila.
Pizza na drink. Agusan mag-drink. Sige, let's try. Pwede take out. Take out na natin. Tapos good taste of food. Sige. I'll get chocolate shake.
So this is their coconut mango. Looks so delicious.
Kukuhan mo yung second taste. And then yung